Welcome to my channel, Kids Channel Nawab. Now we are going to learn about mammals name in English. Seal, seal, bear, bear, human, human, dolphin, dolphin, blue whale, blue whale, bat, bat, cat, cat, deer, deer, giraffe, giraffe, horse, horse, otter, otter, raccoon, raccoon, sheep, sheep, hippopotamus, hippopotamus, koala, koala, goat, goat, walrus, walrus, chimpanzee, chimpanzee, hedgehog, hedgehog, leopard, leopard, kangaroo, kangaroo, cow, cow, panda, panda, fox, fox, elephant, elephant, monkey, monkey, rat, rat, lion, lion, pig, pig, dog, dog, squirrel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.